DJ Mike C on the track.
Cause that be natural. Lady D, looking tacky. I keep my game tacky. Yo, yeah, I'm so nappy. Cause that be natural. The infamous. Ain't looking tacky cause I keep my game tacky. I'm so pretty, I'm so faboo, I'm so natural. It's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy, got the tattoo. Fucking these bitches like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon. Getting these minutes like I'm a typhoon. Y'all is jersey on that cartoon. And I'm sitting on top of these buffoons. I'm so natural, I'm so nappy. All these dudes that wanna get at me, I'm so cultured and I'm happy. Jealous switches wanna come back me cause I'm comfortable in my skin. End of the day, you lose, I win. I'm so comfortable in my ends. Don't care if I make or lose a few friends.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Afros and Baby Hairs. And today we are going to be detoxing Robin's hair. We're going to be using some Aztec Indian healing clay, as well as some regular conditioner that you just go ahead and rinse out, and also some deep conditioner because you do want to add the moisture back into the hair once you do this clay treatment. Now for the actual mixture, I did use the clay mixture with some apple cider vinegar. I used the Bragg's brand, and I tried to get it to a cake like consistency so that it wouldn't be too runny or too dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the process of me applying it to her hair. And once I apply it, I'm gonna go ahead and let it sit until it dries, and then we're going to go ahead and rinse it out, and then add the first condition, which is the rinse out conditioner. But I do like to let that sit in the hair for a little while, maybe like 10-15 minutes, to make sure that it's fully absorbed into the strands. And then we go ahead and rinse that out. And then once we rinse that out, I'm going to go ahead and apply the deep conditioner. We apply that and let it sit for about 30 minutes under the heat cap, and then we rinse that out. And then once I'm done with the complete process, I will show you what her hair was looking like at the end. Now the reason why I went on and did this clay treatment is because she was having all of these fairy knots, as you will see as I'm applying it. She does have a lot of fairy knots because we do tend to keep her hair braided majority of the time. So sometimes this takes a toll on the ends of her hair, and she really hates, getting her ends cut. She doesn't like to see any of her hair get cut, especially since her last big chop that we did like a little over a year ago. And that was the shortest her hair has ever been. It was like right at her shoulders. But anyway, yeah, she was getting a lot of the fairy knots. And with the braids, she's always the braids are always rubbing against her back. It's always rubbing up against the seats that she sit on. She doesn't really like to wear bonnets when she goes to bed. So her ends, it's a toll being taken on those ends. So this detox helps to bring the life back to the hair. It allows for moisture to get back into the hair, especially the ends. So that's what we're doing, trying to make sure that she can go a little while longer without getting these ends cut. So yeah guys, I just wanted to mention that and the reason why. And usually I don't have to do this to her hair but maybe once a year. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say. Now I will let you guys continue watching as we complete the process.
DJ Mike C on the track.
Cause that be natural. Lady D. Ain't looking tacky. I keep my game tacky. Yo, yeah, I'm so nappy. Cause that be natural. The infamous. Ain't looking tacky. Cause I keep my game tacky. I'm so pretty. I'm so faboo. I'm so nappy. It's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy. Got the tattoo. Fucking these bitches like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon. Getting these minutes like I'm a typhoon. Y'all is cheering on that cartoon. And I'm sitting on top with these buffoons. I'm so nappy. I'm so nappy. All these dudes that wanna get at me. I'm so cultured and I'm happy. Just what you wanna combat me. Cause I'm comfortable in my skin. End of the day, you lose, I win. I'm so comfortable in my ends. Don't care if I make or lose a few friends. And I look like $1 trillion. Lady, you won a lotto. Cause in the Lord I trust. And beauty is the motto. Naturally thick in the butt. I'm Billy Blanks on the Tabo. Edges a little rough. Just pretend I'm from Morocco. Organ all up in my hair. Cause I let my locks grow naturally. My curls popping everywhere. I'm maximizing on this natural thing. Like it or not, I don't care. You clowns ain't about to worry me. Cause does this for myself. And I'm repping for my ancestry.